Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's new video. The Department of Employment and Labor Gradation Intermediate in Scholarship and Program for 2022-2023 and Labor Department and Publisher of South Africans. Apply for Department of Employment and Labor Gradation Internship Programming Employment and Labor Guidance Internship Programming. The Department of Employment and Labor would like inquiry and application apply employment insurance of graduation internship program for financial years and 2022 2023 to 2024 guidance program meet and provide work and export guidelines in the federal site and the federal site and improvement agreements post improvement and update correct improvement insurance fund and properties requirement as these years and draftsal qualification and screen students of administration office management and better and skill computer library international and completion customer force and research analyze skill to it and provide serials and supported service of the office and the USC reader administer supported service office. The USC provide assistant management of commission daily and calendar agreement and manage in workshop and inquiry details and numbers 3371566 MG blocker and 012 3371 875 emails Jobsons student subdirector Human Roast and UFA post risk management internship X3 posted reflect and student correct employer insurance fund in freight in requirement national development and degrees risk and management inter-addition provide skill computer library analyze screen time management personal navigation inquiries and details email jobs and US laboratory government set for Australians and subdirector human rights and UIFE post internship and additional X4 post of no and head striped correct employment insurance fund petrol and requirement national diploma and B degrees in internet additional hours related qualification and never particular of government internship programming knowledge Barto and break skills negative communication and data administer support and service pro assistant expansion additional program and assignment with journal administer inquiry and GFT tells emails address subdirector human roles and UFA Correct employment insurance and requirement are the years and qualification becomes enrollments accorded as statement publisher administer new particular government internship and knowledge planning and reporting process and government from and reporting program action and ability to plan and accepted publisher finds condition of employment and liberty registration as to implement equate attacked key problem solved and regulations. Inquiry MHGL and Subdirector Human Person UK. Correct Employment Insurance Fund protect requirement are the years and trial qualification. Skills report rating in computer laboratory and commission. Richard modify, analyze and create problem solving, personal planning and optimization dot and readers support and give tales and administer and office of the internship. Post administer office internship and posting relief care employment increase fund protect requirement are the years and tribes qualification and scripted student office administrator office pay and skill computer laboratory. Dot and provide state relationship and service office CID and rebel administrator support service office CIO preferences management office and directory intercandidate and management post requirement international diploma B degrees information technology computer science bioty and skills customers and communication and computer analysis different provide assistant project management delivery and project UI. Spirit improvement insurance fund and protection requirement. analyze and plan optimization route and tells numbers, provide disk and top supported computer system, prepares and hardwares and work selection, and user provide assistant technology and incubate and fund minute effect foundation of technology achieve and target provide assistance with general administration inquiry MGB enters 3371566 MG Boloka 0.123371 for attention subdirect human spread and UFA post entry support internship and post ref numbers speed costed employees insurance fund requirement national development pedigrees and provide installation details and particular installation confidence and management law location and network areas particular plane advanced technology expert MG knowledge and tech application chief director group service for attention sub director human restraint and post business application internship ex post relief and HR standard employer insurance requirement national diploma for and subdirection requirement national development bachelor degrees and management for select qualification with management resource development improvement government internship program in knowledge profile and requirement selection service provide service benefit and client provide administer support encourage and W and for attention subdirector human effect and UFA post improvement internship X in for text speeding and light pen ground and requirement national development bachelor degrees laboratory region and laboratory new particular government internship program knowledge barto place and skill and to administer cases administer provide section and promote sound labor regulation and intersection post improvement and speeding 1 kilometers out requirement this year's and additional qualification social science and physiology social work and neighbors and government internship programming knowledge place and duty provide with improvement health work and display your achieve with general administer requirement and page public service like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching